My purpose in life is to add value to the people that I come in contact with. I use my expertise, my wisdom, my knowledge, and my experience to be able to add value to all the people that I come in contact with. I had a family that was interested in selling their home, but they needed to sell it quick. So I told them to trust me and to follow my instincts, leverage my marketing skills to be able to sell the property for the most I can. Luckily, everything worked out. We sold their home for more money and we were able to negotiate some time for them to move out. Every time I work with someone, I treat their particular situation as if it was my own. I have 15 years of experience. I have an amazing team that are dedicated and willing to work hard. Once the transaction's over, I want to make sure that my client had the best experience they could possibly have. There's nothing more gratifying to me and it makes me very happy. My name is Vernon Ubico. Let me be the one to help you find your spot.